grief, this truck's like 82 inches. I'm like 67 inches. How's it going? I'm Landon with Aqualux Auto Detailing. I hope y'all are having a great day and staying safe with everything going on. Wanted to talk about how do vertically challenged or short guys detail tops of larger vehicles. All right, so we have two options right here. One of these is my buddy's Carlos Serrano with Serrano's Mobile. Check him out on YouTube. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to his. This is my Gorilla ladder. I picked this up over a year ago, and it was at Home Depot. Very easy, very lightweight. I want to say it's like 10 pounds. You see how easy it is to set up. Picked it up for like 35 bucks about a year ago, like I said, at Home Depot. And Carlos let me borrow his Costco ladder he got from Walmart for 30 bucks. So typically this one's running right now, I just saw it at Home Depot, this one's running $65, okay? So I'm gonna give y'all some measurements, all right? I want y'all to see how this helps me out. I like platform. I know Carlos and I both maneuver different ways, but we get the job done at the end of the day. That's all that matters, okay? Just make it happen. Okay, I'm 5'7". You kind of can see where the trouble's at, okay? Especially if I'm on a decline. This decline that in my driveway is around like 10 degrees, so I'm still at a disadvantage, okay? So I come over here to Carlos's. Well, now we lose the platform length, and then I have to maneuver more. Now I have to go up higher, but now here's where things get a little tricky. You might get a little wobble and a little wiggle. Yeah, I could probably take it up one more, but this gets a little bit more unstable, okay? I want to show you all the dimensions, but now you can kind of see the differences, and we may have found something. I may have found something that might just be the winner with both of these combined, all right? So I'm going to show you the platform on this. You got 12 inches, all right? You got 12 inches of platform right there, and then you got almost 4 feet. So we're at 47 inches, so we got almost 4 feet, all right, to work with when we're moving, okay? Now, this one, top to bottom, we're gonna include the top step. Here, let me make sure the camera can see. We're around 33 inches. We'll just call it 33, just to be fair, okay? You ain't got much than 15.5 inches, you know, for the steps, but I'm not gonna knock it. Both are easy to break down and tear down. So we're gonna break these down really quick. You can see how easy they are. Very lightweight, very user-friendly, all right? That is something I like. I'm not a high-speed person all the time, but if I'm gonna spend money, I wanna spend in the right place, all right? Hold on one second, you'll hang it right there. I'm gonna bring over the newest edition, all right? So, yesterday, I went and I did online order with Home Depot. I don't know the model numbers. I will put all the links in the description, especially this one. Be looking out, because this is gonna be the first link in the description. No, I don't get any paid promotion or anything like this. This is my own money. I saw it, it caught my eye. There's a lot of cool things going on with this thing, all right? So you got 375 pounds of weight this can hold. That's awesome. It is lightweight, all right? I would say this one's maybe around the 20-pound range, but you can see easy to lift up, you know, versus this one, all right? So, I mean, we're maybe at 20 pounds, somewhere around there. Okay, now, let's go over the highlight key points for me, and I'll break out the tape measure, okay? It is very easy to pop out. You got the locking latches right here. One, and then you just pop it out right there. Okay, awesome points right there. Now, say we want to get taller. Well, guess what? It's got 4 different settings. Pop it out, squeeze it, pop it out. So your ease of use is already just skyrocketed. Now we're gonna come over here. Well, what happens if you go up? Well, if you go up, you lose stability. Well, guess what? I think these guys thought about that. Guess what? Guess what? You can just move the legs out. You have rubber grips. This is like some tough, like I would say, dare say it's like your car rubber, okay? So we're gonna go on this side. Those suckers ain't going nowhere, all right? Come back over here. You see how easy it is. Everything's click and play, click and play. All right? Then you just flip this baby around. And look at that. Okay? Now I'm gonna show you really quick how tall it is compared to the other one, so you guys can get a visual. Visual. Y'all can see this. It'll go right under it. Okay? It fits right under it. Okay? There you go. So we're gonna take a tape measure. Well, let's look how much taller we got here. Okay? So this is 30 inches, just like advertised, okay? This one is near, I think we're at 20 inches, okay? That's gonna be fair. But the cool thing is this has 3 different settings. So you go down one, and then down to the lowest. You're back at 20 inches. Okay? All right? So we're at the highest setting. Another cool thing I like about this one versus this one. Yes, this is ease of use for carrying. You got a little carrying handle in here on this one. Well, guess what? You have a smooth, stable platform. And not only is it wider, look at this. Yeah, this is my truck. But I can detail the whole entire thing top to bottom. Now, another cool thing, as detailers, you're always having to worry about the edge of a ladder or something bumping the vehicle. Well, guess what? They put some thought in. Yes, it's plastic, but would you rather plastic or aluminum or metal hit the car? I know which one I would choose. It's an obvious answer, okay? Well, guess what? Now I'm gonna get up on this and show you how much more I can reach versus the other one. I'm gonna show you this one, then we'll show you the other one. It's just a no-brainer. I'm gonna scoot this one down, and then I'm gonna move this one over. That way y'all can get a really good idea, all right? So thank you so much for being here. I appreciate y'all. Here we go. So this is the normal one. There's that, right there, okay? Now, we're gonna move this one back, move this one over, and I'm gonna get this. There we go. Way better. I can detail the middle of my truck. I mean, this is where you want to be. Now, Carlos is on here with me. Well, guess what? I weigh about 160. He said he weighs, what, 180? So we're not even near the 375-pound max. But look at this. I love this. And then Carlos and I are both on here, and I am putting, it's not going anywhere. This sucker's stable as can be. So just wanted to show it to y'all. The price point on this baby is $120 at Home Depot. Now I do get a military discount, so just, you know, is it worth it? I don't know. They had this on sale the other day for $35. Well, guess what? It's back up to $65. You get a lifetime warranty with both of these. So do you want double the height, or do you just want something basic? There's nothing wrong with any of these. Just got to find out what meets your needs. And if you're short like I am and Carlos is 5'2", I'm 5'7", this thing is like the best of both worlds for both of us. And I cannot just tell you how much of a, like, it's just easier for us to work. That's just a big deal to us. I love how easy it is to collapse. It's just maneuverable and it works. So just a tick over $100. This is gonna be my go-to platform ladder from now on, and I can use it in the house. Got a bunch of stuff I need to hide. I'm vertically challenged. My wife needs me to put something up. Well, guess what? I'm gonna be going with this Gorilla ladder. Anyways, hope y'all enjoyed this. Love y'all. Stay safe. Wash your hands. Keep it simple. Love y'all. We'll see you next time. Bye.